If you're looking for new, don't wait to build. This home is better. Water filtration system was replaced in 2019. The 3-slider 12-feet door has an electric roll-down hurricane shutter for storms and privacy. Installed 2019, with just the press of a button. Windows are impact and have ASTROGuard fabric shutters. Seamless gutters were installed in 2017. Home was painted inside and out in 2017. Calusia shrubs planted in 2017 with a wire fence surrounding the backyard makes a great privacy fence and deters noise. New air conditioner and toilets in 2017. New sod and pavers put down in 2019. The great room is open with dining, living and kitchen with granite counters and island breakfast bar and has tile throughout. This home is set up for entertaining for sure. Bedrooms are split and there are 2 linen closets with an extra closet in the laundry room.